Your ideas are not 100%. We spoke about this on previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please find the link in the description. We assume we tried that business. We got an idea, excited to start a business on that, started, went on well. Later it came down and failed and closed. Later we say we tried that business. Wrong. Actually, that business tried us. That business tested us. And we got failed. It's not which business we chose. It's which business chose us and tested us. Example, we can only choose the course like hotel management and assume we cannot run a automobile business. What if we fail in a hotel business even after doing the hotel management course? And what if automobile business waiting to choose us and may give success? We assume we tried hotel business, but indirectly that hotel business tried us and failed us. We have to consider we didn't suit for it. We can try any sports, but the cricket has to choose us by trying us. Lot of cricketers didn't choose cricket, but cricket chose them. Lot of actors didn't choose acting, but acting tried them and chose them. Same way, we cannot try that business. Indirectly, the business will try us. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. Let's try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on When You Don't Know Which Business to Do.